Good morning, everybody. Today I worked on my 2005 Nissan Titan LE. The sonar backup sensors were not working for me for a while. I've done my research on a few videos, and I think I figured out the best way on how to diagnose and fix the problem. Hopefully it does the same for you. The tools I used were a 1-inch steel pipe, a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with a 5.5 millimeter socket, and a glasses repair screw set. The parts I picked up from the junkyard were off of a 2004 Nissan Armada. I just had to make sure they had the sensors as well. They do sell these parts online as far as the sensor and the backup buzzer or the speaker. The link is in the description. So what I did first, I troubleshooted all my sensors, all 4 of them, by using the steel pipe. You'll need someone to be inside the vehicle, put it in reverse, and just hold onto the brake so they don't run you over. Then you'll take your 1-inch steel pipe or PVC pipe, whatever you may need or use and have available, and you'll hold it against the sensor. When you listen in, there should be a clicking sound, but very rapidly. If it clicks, that means your sensor is working. If it does not, that means that sensor is bad. I had problems with my 2 interior ones. I had the parts ordered online, but I just figured I could just use the junkyard and pay a lot cheaper. So the way that your sensors are held in the truck and how you're looking at them right now, they're set up like this. On the back of the sensor, there's 2 plastic clips that are holding it down and to keep it in place. The easiest way that I found to do is, instead of getting down there and being in tight spaces, I just reached my arm under the bumper here with one hand. I held the clips open like so. With the other hand, I was able to push the sensor through and pop it out. I recommend that you do this before you disconnect the electrical, that way you don't have to drop your sensor on the ground. The electrical plug or the electrical clip is being held by a tab there, so you just need a flathead screwdriver and pry that out, and you should have it released. You do want to check your sensor, make sure that you do hear the clicking sound with the pipe before you put it all back together. Once you've replaced your sensors, if the light still is on the off position, you may need to go and remove this buzzer that's inside of your truck on the driver's side. I'll show you where it's located, and these are the tools you'll need in order to remove it. Okay, so this sensor is located on the driver's side by the gauges. I went ahead and used the glass repair screwdriver set that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and pried this out from the side. There is clips holding onto this. I didn't want to lose any of the clips, so I went ahead and pushed the clips in and released it one by one until I was able to get to this sensor. This sensor really just sits on top like so inside of your vehicle, and it's held on by 2 5.5 millimeter bolts. It's very simple. It doesn't take long, and this is what I found that was also one of my problems besides the 2 sensors that I replaced. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and turn on your truck now with your sensors being all repaired and your buzzer repaired as well, and you'll want to start the truck right up. You'll see your sensor go off about 3 seconds after you turn it on. If your sensors go off like so, that means that you fixed the problem. I have my wife that's standing in the back there, and we'll give it a try. Okay, so with my truck in reverse, you can tell the sonar is going off. If for some reason replacing those sensors does not work for you, you might want to check the electrical, check the wires. That's what worked for me, and luckily everything turned out fine. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like in the video. Comment if you feel like you have any questions. Be more than happy to answer those. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Thanks.